Hello everyone, today we'll learn about physical properties of ether. So let us start our topic. Ether has general formula ROR. So R is alkyl or aryl group, O is oxygen atom. Now R can be different or same. If different, they are called unsymmetrical ether, and if same, they are called symmetrical ether. So first we will learn about the polarity of ether. So are they polar or non-polar? So for polarity, there has to be electronegativity difference between the atoms of ether. So is there any electronegativity difference? Yes, because it has oxygen atom attached to the carbon atoms. So oxygen is electronegative and carbon is electropositive. Therefore, there is electronegativity difference, and this electronegativity difference gives them polarity. So ethers are somewhat polar, not very polar but weakly polar. Now boiling point. For boiling point, we are comparing it with the alkanes and alcohols of similar molecular weight. So this is alkane of molecular weight 72 gram per mole. This is ethanol of molecular weight 74 gram per mole, and this is ethoxyethane of molecular weight 74 gram per mole. So all of them have similar molecular weight, and this is alkane, this is ether, and this is alcohol. So we are comparing now boiling point. So it is found that alkanes and ether have similar boiling point. Like you can see that it has 309 Kelvin boiling point and ether has 307.6 Kelvin boiling point. But ethanol, which has same molecular mass like ether, but it is having 390 Kelvin boiling point. So it has a very high boiling point as compared to ether of similar molecular weight. So why is it so? Because it can make intermolecular hydrogen bonding. What is intermolecular hydrogen bonding? We have already studied in the video of physical properties of alcohols. So intermolecular hydrogen bonding is what this oxygen atom of alcohol make hydrogen bonding with the hydrogen atom of this alcohol molecule, another alcohol, ethanol alcohol molecule. So this is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So therefore the alcohol molecules are associated with each other through the hydrogen bonding, and when they are associated, we have to provide more heat to dissociate the molecules of alcohol, and therefore it takes much more heat or much more temperature for the alcohol to evaporate, to boil, and therefore their boiling point is very high. Now intermolecular hydrogen bonding is not possible in ether because this oxygen atom cannot make hydrogen bonding with another ether molecule, because ether molecule doesn't have hydrogen atom bonded to any electronegative atom. So therefore there is no intermolecular hydrogen bonding in case of ether, and hence its boiling point is very low compared to alcohol. Now third property is, first we have studied about polarity of ether. Now we have compared the boiling point of ether with others. Now we are studying its solubility, ether's solubility in water. So for solubility in water, the molecule must be polar, because water is also polar. Water is a polar solvent because it has oxygen atom bonded to hydrogen atom, and there is electronegativity difference between them. So there is polarity in the molecule of water. Therefore the molecule which will be soluble in water should also be polar. Now we have already studied that ethers are polar due to the presence of oxygen atom. Therefore ethers are soluble in water, and also it is soluble to the extent to which alcohols are soluble in water, because we have already studied in the previous lectures that alcohol is soluble in water because it makes hydrogen bonding with the water molecule. In the same way, ether molecules also make hydrogen bonding with the water molecules. Like this is ether, ROR. So this oxygen atom will make the hydrogen bonding with one of the hydrogen atom of water molecule and also with another hydrogen atom of water molecule. So these are water molecules and they get attached to the electronegative oxygen atom of ether. So this is the hydrogen bonding of ether with water molecules, and this is the reason it is very much soluble in water, just like alcohol, because alcohol also have oxygen and hydrogen atom and they form hydrogen bonding with water molecules. So we have studied 3 physical properties of ether: polarity, boiling point, and solubility in water. So this was all about the physical properties of ether. In the next lecture we will learn about chemical properties of ether. So that would be very lengthy lecture. So I am stopping this lecture today here. So I hope you got this topic. Thank you.